musika. Di pa dyan nagtatapos ang ating mga pinagsamahang masaya. Mas pinapalawak para mga Pilipino kasama. Naglilingkod, nagbubuklod para sa mamamayan. Palagi kang kasama kahit nasan ka man. Lahat kasali dahil favorite music radio. Lagi kang pinapakinggan kahit san, kailanman. My favorite music radio. Ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit san, kailanman. My favorite FM radio. Diba mas bagong tunog para sa lahat ay inihahandog. Halika mabubusog ating mga tenga sa mga tugtog na mas pinapalawak. Na musika at balita ay pinapalaganap. Naglilingkod, nagbubuklod para sa mamamayan. Palagi kang kasama kahit nasan ka man. Buong bansa ay iisa. Music radio. Lagi kang pinapakinggan kahit san, kailanman. My favorite music radio. Ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit san, kailanman. My favorite FM radio. Tumutugon, umaaksyon sa lahat ng panahon. Lagi mong kasama sa pagbangon. Mas pinapalawak para mga Pilipino kasama. Naglilingkod dahil buong bansa ay iisa. Music radio. Lagi ka pinapakinggan.
Alright, hi, hello, and good afternoon once again mga ka-vibes. This is Mix Bustos. Dito po ngayon sa playlist, kasama po ngayon si DJ Totoy Bola. What's up, DJ Totoy Bola?
Yes, and of course, I'm so excited. Mga ka-vibes, good afternoon. And welcome sa ating playlist pa rin na program. Of course, kasama pa rin natin si Migs and lahat ng mga ka-vibes natin. Napapakinggan din tayo, hindi na sa Mega Manila, but 101.9 Davao, 97.5 Jensen, and 102.3 Baguio.
Ayan, so hello po sa mga, shoutout po sa mga ka-vibes natin sa Davao. Hello po, hi, hello, good afternoon. At ngayon po, live na po tayo ngayon sa YouTube. Live na po sa YouTube. Kaway-kaway po. Kung kayo po ay nanonood sa YouTube, baka po nasisilayan nyo na. We are graced by the presence. This man needs no introduction. Totoy Bola, none other than the king of rap. Walang iba kundi si Andrew E! Andrew E is here. Sir Drew.
Ay, napakaganda. You know, like napakaganda ng studio. How can I not say something so good for this place? And with all the friends in here, Totoy Bola, a new friend of mine now. Mix Bustos, happen to be like long-time friend. And of course, eto, nandito ako ngayon, mga kaibigan. I'm here and I'm witnessing a very nice studio. Doon ako mas at home na at home. Napakaganda. And then, kung may pagmamalaki ko to, so much.
Thank you so much.
Sir Drew, baka pwede po kami makisuyo na kasi ang ating mga ka-vibes sa Davao inanonood. Baka pwede mo ma-shoutout yung mga ka-vibes natin sa Davao na nakikinig po ngayon.
Mga ka-vibes, binabati ko kayo. Of course, napakagandang araw na ito. Kaunting hindi dito sa Metro Manila, but sa Davao, I think maganda. Binabati ko kayong lahat at sana nag-enjoy kayo in your afternoon. Kung meron kayong kape dyan, ay konting pandesal and all that, and may merienda and all that, abangan nyo, magkakaroon kami ng magandang talakayan dito. And at the same time, may konti kami mga ipapaluso sa inyo, mga secret na alam kong hindi nyo pa narinig sa inyo mga buhay.
Wow! Anyways, yung mga ka-vibes pala natin, yung mga listeners natin, ano ang favorite mong kanta ni Andrew E? Yun ang ating question of the day. And if you guys wanna join our question of the day, ang ating Facebook page, it's FM Radio Philippines.
Yan, FM Radio Philippines. At syempre, mag-comment na po kayo sa YouTube Live at sa Facebook, FM Radio Philippines. Pwede ba natin tanongin si Boss Drew? Ano ang kanyang,
pwede.
Kanyang top of mind kapag sinabing Andrew E song? Kumbaga, yung pag nakapikit, Andrew E, parap naman ng isa. Anong song, sir?
For me kasi, I treat my songs as my best friends. You know, like,
wow.
So, syempre, di ba pag sinabi mong best friend, isa lang. Pag best friends, ibig sabihin nun, wala kang pinipili. Everyone is like best friend, no? But for me, best friend in terms of situation in life.
Okay.
Now we know.
Yeah, kasi, like, may best friend ka, nung ikaw ay nagtagumpay. May best friend ka naman nung ikaw ay medyo medyo down ng yung buhay. May best friend ka naman nung ikaw ay naging maswerte and all that. So may kanyang particular thing in life na meron kang nagkakaroon ng best friend. And for me, best friend ko nung ako'y walang-wala is humanap ka ng pangit. Yan ang best friend ko. Kasi syempre
at that time,
I'm trying to prove myself to the industry na wala naman akong padrino, wala naman akong kakilala, wala akong walang nagtutulay sa akin like, hey, may kakilala ko dito, ilalakad kita. Walang ganun noong araw. Walang ganun. So, all you have to do is by your own plain self, ihalalahad mo sarili mo, and kung tatanggapin ka, well, fine and good. Kung hindi, talaga ang buhay. But again, meron namang best friend nung ako'y medyo nakikreate na bilang rapper and movie actor. At ang best friend ko naman nun ay Andrew Ford Medina. Diba? Yan naman ang best friend mo kasi gumaganda yung buhay mo and things like that. But nung medyo to the hilt na yung tagumpay mo, meron ako mas best friend. Yun naman ay yung Binibirotsa. Okay? Kasi yun yung nagawa kong kanta nung pa-asenso na at bulusok na yung karir ko. But then again, it went on a downhill stroke again.
Okay.
Around like 97. Kasi 97 came, nauso yung mga piracy, di ba? Pinasok ng piracy yung industry. So, each and every actor, walang movie. Each and every actress, walang contract. Each and every singer, or maybe a little bit of rapper, wala kang in-house contract. So, what you gonna do? There's no radio for that time. You can't promote anything because you don't have anything new to say or new to share.
Right.
Walang new song from your new whatever company. So everything and everyone else has nothing. But syempre ako, looking forward kasi una-una nasanay ako, hindi naman nasanay, but now that nakatikim ako ng konting kasikatan and konting tagumpay sa buhay, biglang nawala naman. So for me, let's take a look for greener pasture. Ang greener pasture na tinutukoy ko was Japan.
Yes.
Okay.
And Japan I was so lonely with nobody, but walang girlfriend, wala pa akong asawa that time.
Wala pa si Miss Mylene noon.
Wala pa.
And away from my real family kasi nga nandito lahat. So I'm just all alone in a very how do I say it, para strange land.
Right.
Culture is very strange. Talagang eye-opener na everything you see is something new to you. Always new to you. Japan is like, wow, talagang culture shock and all that. And isama mo pa yung pagiging alone mo, loneliness and all that. At coming from the down slope of career.
Okay.
Sama-sama, everything. Now came my another best friend, which is Banyo Queen.
Banyo Queen.
Ang ginaw para kung nasa Roppongi.
Di ba? Yan yung mga little secrets, di ba? Na dahan-dahan na re-reveal. Ganun pala.
And then Honey was in 2000.
But Honey is a little bit of what you call an offshoot of the adventure na with Andrew E. in a new land, in a new culture. So Millennium, di ba? That's my start. Millennium Celebration. So you're referring to na sa listener na ngayong di ba Millennium nagparty kayo, rave is on hand. At that time rave ang uso, right?
Kakasimula pa lang ng The Port nun, boss.
Yeah. Binanggit ko na kaagad.
Yes.
Hindi lang kasi simula. Katatayo pala ng first building.
Yun, sa Port Street.
Grabe.
Yun, yes.
Unang building. Binanggit ko na sa song ko. Alam mo naman ako mag-drop name, di ba?
Yes, sir.
And at the same time, nung sinasabi ko yun, Honey, para bang may konting pahiwatig and konting papitik ng thought na, hey, have you forgotten me already? Kasi coming from 97, out na ako ng bansa, 98, 99, 2000, tumakbo yung generation at that time there's no Andrew E. in any kind of wall. So you don't see any Andrew E. name. So you don't know him kung yung sibol ng generation mo. And the song at that time was all forgotten. Why? Because there's nothing to generate interest with an Andrew E song, because all are having some, hilig and fond of rave music. Plus the thought na papasok pa sa year 2004, something happened in 2004 if you can remember. Di ba remember? Pinoy ako, Pinoy.
Big Brother!
Ipakita sa... So everybody was into rock.
Rock.
So from rave to rock, there's no space for rap and all that.
Yes, I remember.
Plus, sama mo pa yung mga new generation na pinagpipipirma at that time was yung mga bagong singer, bagong actor, the likes of Nadine and blah, 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 blah. So, yung mga gano'n. So, tabu na tabu yun.
Naghalo-halo.
There's no anino of any Andrew E anywhere on your wall.
Right.
That's why, yun yung feel ng Andrew E na, you still remember me? No. You still remember me? No. Now, yung you still remember me, quietly, I did Banyo Queen. But Banyo Queen was not accepted wildly at that time. Kasi sa dami nang nangyayari.
Right.
Dami nang nangyayari na actual new things. Parang wala kaming cellphone. Yes, wala kaming cellphone. But maraming nangyayaring new things. So, yun yung cellphone namin. I'm not, generation na yun dati.
Yes.
I'm not, but, ang hindi nila alam, mas marami akong nakikita sa Japan na hindi nyo nakikita.
Kasi mas advanced sila.
Hindi pa kasi widely, kumbaga, yung access sa Japan ng mga turista noon eh.
Not only that, eto, let me tell you some little good secret, no?
Okay.
At that time, pinakamahirap na passport and visa ang Japan.
Yes.
Kasi the only way you can enter Japan at that time is mapatunayan mo na entertainer ka.
So you had a work visa?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pero kung hindi mo mapapatunayan entertainer ka, the doubt is on you 100% na ikaw ay what? Japayuko or Japayuki. Diba? Yan din yung doubt sa'yo.
Yes.
So, ang problem mo is your age. So, gusto mo na mag-wander and mag-adventure in life around 19, 20, 21. Yun yung naka-red slot sa computer ng Japan Embassy. Yung age na yun.
Kasi
hindi ka nila papapasukin because you have the ability to do that.
Kumbaga ikaw yung mas prone nun. Now, as we go through the timeline, Totoy Bola, yun din ang tanong namin kanina, top of the program. And I also asked you this when I visited your rehearsal, Sir Drew. 35 years in the business, baka magtataka ang mga tao, bakit ngayon lang nagka-solo concert si Andrew E?
Bago sila
that's the big question.
No. Bago sila magtaka, ako na muna, araw-araw nagtataka. Bakit? Wait, mas ko-questionin yung pa sarili mo na, mas kailangan ko ba bang gawin to? In this day and age? Or mas kailangan ko pang gawin talaga ba ito kasi I need to do this because this is what I miss doing way back when.
Right.
Diba? So, which is which? Ano yung kasagutan? Parang wala din. Ang maybe, later on, yung medyo nagkaroon na ng chance na, na magkaroon ako ng ganitong concert and all that, na-realize ko na parang, nagbukas yung mga ilaw, nagbukas yung mga sagot. Ang kasagutan pala ay, wait a minute. Kasi nakilala nyo ako bilang Andrew sa mga fiesta, Andrew sa mga bar, Andrew sa mga whatever guesting. Pero nakilala niyo ba ako as Andrew as a showstopper? No.
Right.
No. So, okay. So the challenge is, how do you reintroduce yourself as a showstopper na wherein which it will topple their mind. Sasabihin nila, ito pala siya. May natatago pala siyang ability to do this. Yun yung December 11. Kaya, when I say show-stopping, yung tipong, ang challenge for me is, how do I hype up people sitting down? Kasi nakaupo kayo eh. Walang table, walang beer, walang wine, wala lahat.
Right.
Walang popcorn, wala lahat. Walang food, wala lahat.
Di ba kami pwedeng tumayo doon sa theater?
No. I'm talking about walang amenities ng movie house. Walang amenities ng bar. Wala kayo, waiter, drinks nga, walang ganon. So,
para nakafocus lahat.
May kaunti kang kabusitan kapag hindi mo makikitang maganda yung show.
Yeah.
Kasi wala nang ang food, wala nang drinks, tapos hindi ka pa mag-enjoy. So, may kabusitang kasama yon. But, yun yung challenge. But, in reverse, ito yung challenge. I challenge the people na manunood na, please, kaya nyo bang hulaan ang mga ipapakita ko? Ayan.
Totoo
Kasi
yun.
pag hindi nyo kayang
Pakakabahan.
mahulaan, ibig sabihin nun, I am an authentic showstopper. Pag nahulaan nyo, okay, then medyo at least, si Andrew, may gimmick ng ganyan. Yan mukhang feeling ko, ganyan. Di at least, alam ko na, nakasabay na pala kayo by the time.
Ang tanong ko nga, because of course, we mentioned of these hits. These are in the 90s.
Yeah, okay.
Staying relevant. Mamaya tatanungin ko yung tamang-tama. I really wanna ask you that single that you released in 2021. Pero ngayon, pag sinabi mong Andrew Eat, itong mga kantang itong 90s, your reaction to the current generation now na baka mamaya born lang sila at that time and they know of these songs or maybe some may not know of these songs. Your reaction to that?
Special thanks, extra super special thanks to TikTok. Yeah. I was reintroduced by TikTok to the newest, I'm not saying new, but the newest generation. Kasi yung new, na-introduce naman talaga ako dun eh. Pero yung newest, yung pinakabago, which
Yung
is
ngayon.
halos,
Yung ngayon,
di ba? I mean like, wag ka nang makikipag-away sa kanilang phone because that's their best friend.
Right.
Yeah.
Don't steal their phone.
For all seasons, kung sawi, kung matagumpay, phone ang best friend.
Yeah.
Diba?
Laging kasama.
Ay, kasama.
So, well, you can come along maybe number 9, number 10, number 11 sa kanilang mga best friend. But their cell phone comes one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, never ka nang makakarating ng 5432. Kasi 5432, ang best friend nila, yung tunay nilang best friend. So, masyadong masikip.
Yeah.
Ayan tanong, how do you reintroduce yourself? So, hindi na ikaw. It has to be in their own number one best friend.
Yun.
Which is the cell phone.
The cell phone.
Doon ka dapat ma-reintroduce. That's the keyword. Do not particularize yourself and say, kaya kong ma-introduce sa generation ngayon. Paano? No, I'm just gonna do this, and viral, do this. No, you can't. No, you can't. Yun yung maling assumption. No, you can't. Kasi, in fact, there are 1 million people like you trying to do that.
Exactly.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Merong pumipindot ng elevator just trying to go viral.
Yeah.
So, may 10 ganon, may 100 ganon, may 1,000 ganon, may 1,000,000 ganon. And how can you land the top-notch one?
Tama.
You cannot. So, paano yon? Okay. Ganito. Kung gagawa naman ako ng mga ways and means para hindi rin, mahirap. Kasi aakit ka muna sa mga best friend nila. Pag wala nang maikwento yung mga best friend nila, at saka pala mag-entertain na number 6,
Right.
number 7, number 8, number 9. Di ba? Pag wala maikwento.
Tama,
Pero
tama.
hanggat may nagkukwentuhan yan, which is walang katapusan yung kwento ng best friend, right?
That's true.
Yeah, that's true.
So, you cannot land. And the only problem you have is, basically, how can you, kung meron kang hanap buhay, to maintain yourself and be particular relative today, up to today, mukhang ang laki ng challenge, right? So, the number one spot is the cell phone. And, kung ikaw naman ang gagawa, just the same. Marami, million kayo.
Yeah.
So, let it be what you call a passive way of doing it. Not the active. Yung hindi ikaw. It has to be someone else.
Alright.
So, was shoot at that time nung nag-viral siya sa TikTok 2021, nag-reintroduce?
Yeah.
Accident ba yun? O parang in a way, medyo nakaposisyon yun? Or nagulat ka na lang?
Well, honestly, maybe I will be honest for myself before I can be honest to you.
Yes.
Kasi honestly talaga nagulat ako eh. Kasi hold on. Alam niyo ba yung mga pinaggagawa niyo? Kasi
Totoo
isipin nila, it's a new song. Who's Andrew, the old guy. Okay. Ganun yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi lahat naman nasa cellphone na. So like, yun yung sasabihin mo. The old guy. Okay, the old guy. But is this the song of that old guy? Ganun yan eh. Okay. Wait! Something new? Kasi hindi namin narinig. Radio man, you're not. Well, may TV man, no. So, hindi namin narinig. So, biglang narinig. Tiniktok ng tiniktok. So, new. New? Really? Di ba? Kasi nagkamali ng assessment. Akala nila new.
Okay.
New 20 years ago.
Ay,
2000? Ano bang year ang
2006.
2000.
2006 to be exact.
Yes.
Oh, so hindi new for us.
Yeah.
Hindi new for us, but like it's strange for us na hey, nagustuhan nila.
Yeah.
Di ba? Ang tabo na yun eh. I mean like tabo na
Yeah,
na
yeah.
yun.
Exactly, yeah.
And TikTok and all that. So, nung na-TikTok yun, ako sabi ko, hanep ang galing So ako naman, share ako ng share. Di ba? Kasi natutuwa ako. Gumagawa ako ng poster.
Yes.
Gumagawa ako ng poster.
Wow.
Andrew E. Ako mismo, no. Kasi at the time, pandemic, right?
Yes.
So, like, and plus, dagdagan ko pa. Magilo ko na, maybe you missed this story. Pandemic time, na-hospital po ako. And I was so weak, I can't even stand up to do my shower. I have to sit down, do a king shower. I can't even step on the ladder or the stairs for like 1 or 2. Kailangan may bumabatak pa sa akin para makakita ko. That's how weak I was. And yung how to say it, yung pasa is from my singit to my tiptoe. Ang pasa, ang haba. So how can you? And then pag kumakain ako, counting lang because so many medicines and all that. So yung spot na yon was parang very weak.
Okay.
Pero yung heart ko very very happy. Kasi nga, 6 million views. Ngayon ko lang natitikpan to I mean, wala na. So biglang 8, 10, oh my God,
Wow.
12, 15, 20, 25.
Viral talaga.
Now, here's the deal. Wala yun. When we say surprise, akala natin 25 million views for shoot.
Yeah.
Or maybe isa yung
Pangalawa, Pink Palaka.
No. Yung ganun yung Aussie.
Aussie.
So then here comes Aussie. Then here comes Sinabmarine. Sunod-sunod na.
Ayun na.
5, 10, 7. That's nothing. Nung sinilip ko yung hashtag Andrew E, 700 million.
Wow.
I go, wait, teka, anong ginawa ko sa inyo na hindi ko ginagawa sa sarili ko? Ano to?
Parang
Saan galing yung 700?
Parang time of reflection na.
700 million? Teka, tahimik yun, Right? Ito, I'll share your secret.
Yeah.
Magalit ako sino magalit. We don't care. Okay? Kasi we go for the truth. 700. Nag-800.
Yeah.
Wow. Then nung nag-800, 850. Okay? Then pagdating ng 850, may nakapansin. Huwag yang bigyan ng power ng ganyan, tanggalin niya. Tinanggal yung
Hashtag?
Maraming nadamay. Yeah.
Yung mga content?
Yeah, hindi, maraming nadamay.
Oh.
Kasi pag tinanggal mo yung hashtag command sa
Yes.
program
Yes.
mo,
Wala.
Lahat mawawala.
lahat ng hashtag din tanggal yun. So yung mga, sorry,
No problem.
yung mga nag-hashtag din na nag-iipon din ng saan yung hashtag namin nawawala?
Talaga.
Grabe na. Parang close to 1 billion supposedly na.
Tapos,
Pero,
Ano nangyari?
in-screenshot ko yun.
At least, para at least you have,
to make sure.
di ba?
Tapos papagawa ko ng i-frame ko na yung hashtag ko umaabot ng gano'n. Na kahit nabura. But, sorry.
But it's quite a feat.
Yeah. For me, it was a very unjustified move to others na nag-iipon din ng hashtag. Kasi nandahil sa you don't like me there, binura mo ko ron. Kasi if you like me there, you won't care.
oo nga.
Tama.
Di ba?
Exactly.
And you'll even be happy now. Uy, congratulations.
Right.
Di ba? Congratulations. You're making waves. Pero nung naramdaman nila na I might use it in a very economical wrong way that they're not gonna be benefited, binura nila. Ang problem is, nakalimutan nila na pag binura mo yun, mabubura mo rin lahat. So, yung mga inaalagaan nila, nabura.
Yun lang. Oo.
Right?
Right, yeah.
Yung mga best friend, nabura.
Nabura.
That's one
Dahil
thing
yung
na hindi
hindi mo
nila
best
naisip.
friend, gusto mo tanggalin.
Tama,
Oo.
Anyways,
Ang dami ko na share na
Oo nga,
secret.
dami na
actually,
share na secret
yung mga question ko kanina, nasagot na ni Sir Andrew. Yung what's the yung mga yung behind of each songs,
Yeah.
and nabanggit mo na kanina lahat-lahat eh. And yung concert naman, mapunta tayo.
Yeah.
It's tawag niya to, 35 years. In 35 years magkakaroon ka ng concert. How important this is for Sir Andrew?
Oh yeah. It's so important that I'm about to witness it. May sinabi nga, may nagtanong nga sa akin, hey Andrew, ano mo na lahat, na-achieve mo na lahat, ano mo na, yung mga platinum, ganyan, yung mga movie, ganyan. Oo nga sa sobrang ganun nga, sa sobrang bilis at that time, nakalimutan kong mag-major concert.
Oo nga.
Oo nga po.
Ang dami na nangyari.
Ang dami na nangyari, from movies to sold out albums.
So, kailan kaya ako magkakaroon ng major concert? Diba? Like, you will be thinking, right? So, sabi ko, okay, ngayong may chance na because of Ticket One, all thanks to Ticket One and Sir Jonathan V. Thank you so much for the trust and for the love of appreciating my music. Kaya naniwala sila sa akin. Now that may ganyan na, patikim naman. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung feeling niyan. So, pareho tayo, the viewers and me. Pare-pare tayo maggugulatan on that day. Right? Magugulat ako because like the people will watch, ma-appreciate din ako.
Yes.
So, kung ano yung mga hindi ko pa nagagawa, whatever. But ako, mas lalo ko ma-appreciate kasi nakikita ko ngayon yung mga taong hindi ko natikman noong araw.
Right.
Watching me
Tama po.
sitting down.
Tama.
po.
Puro nakatayo lahat. Like fiesta, nakatayo. Blah, 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 nakatayo. Everything.
Okay, so ngayon maglalaro po tayo ng little game, parang fast talk po tayo, Sir Drew. This is called Q and Play.
Q and Play.
Q and Play, parang fast talk lang. So
when
mamimili ka lang.
When you say Q,
I
stand
say
by.
play. Hindi, parang just a segment. Pero papapiliin kita ng dalawa and then you just say whatever it is.
Okay.
Kuwari, blue or orange?
Orange,
Okay.
parang yan.
Ganon.
so pipili ako sa isa.
Pipili ka sa isa.
And
Pili
then,
ka sa isa.
and then I say why.
Yes.
Depende sa preference mo. Let's say, for
Oo.
example, blue or orange or yeah.
Okay.
Kuwari, blue or orange? Blue. Dahil
Okay.
ganyan.
Dahil
The one-liner.
ganito.
Okay. Alright, so
Teka
number
muna,
one.
before we do anything else,
Sige, sir.
I hope nakaka 5 minutes pa lang tayo. Kasi
Mag-OT tayo.
Asal sa kwento na.
Sa kwentuhan ako, napakabilis
We've
mo na
lost track of
kwentuhan.
the time,
Lost
yeah.
track of the time. Maraming salamat. So once again, FM Radio Philippines. Once again, One Time for Your Mind. Andrew E. December 11. New Frontier Theater. Shoutout muna tayo kay na Carlos, kay na Sigel. Hello sa inyo mula po nasa Davao sila ngayon actually. Kasi po ang FM Radio, nasa Davao po sila. Kaya mga ka-vibes po natin sa Davao. Hello. Alright. Boss Drew, number one, shorts or jogging pants?
Shorts, kasi inumpisahan ko yung karir ko, ako nag-introduce ng shorts sa TV. Wala nagsusuot
Yung
ng shorts.
baggy shorts?
Yung baggy.
Yung when they say like kasi okay, lumabas ako sa TV 1991. So
Okay.
So when you
Malag
say
pa ng pangit.
Malag pa ng pangit, right?
Yeah.
Nagpo-promote ako. Ang pinakabawal-bawal at that time is
Shorts.
You cannot wear shorts.
Halos lahat.
That's a no-no and that's a number one commandment. No, wala. TV is the most presented place in any kind of endeavor for an artista, a singer, or a guest or what. Kailangan, pinakamahina nga dyan at that time kung, di ba, pag nanonood ka ng mga Kuya Germs, naka-Amerikana ka and all that, right?
Yeah, yes.
Tapos ang Andrew E. magsa-shorts, hindi lang yan. Inintroduce ko, ako unang nag-Birkenstock sa TV.
Yes, sir.
Trendsetter.
Yeah. So, 2. But then, why shorts? Kasi, yung shorts po kasi, mga kaibigan, it represent at that time, sa panahon na yun, 1990, was the offshoot of 88 and 87. Yung 88 and 87 and 86? Yun po mga kaibigan, ang nagsushorts lang sa Metro Manila na may kulay ay mga taga-IS people.
International school.
International school.
So, ang shorts na available sa Pilipinas ay yung single color.
Jeans.
Hindi available ang multicolor.
Jeans.
Okay.
Hindi.
Parang shorts na jeans. Anong color?
Hindi. Honestly, walang nagsushort.
Oo.
Except dun sa barangay level short.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero yung short ng pang-alis, wala.
Wala.
Kasi hindi pa natututunan at that time na mamutol ka ng shorts. Hindi pa natututunan yon. Hindi ba? Kasi unang-una, expensive ang pantalon. Para putulin mo, it's
Sayang.
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 Parang nagsaya ka ng pagkain, parang gano'n.
at saka hindi lang yan, how can you invest on something and then yet destroy the something that you invested
That's
on?
true.
Tama.
Hindi pwede. So, walang nagsushort. And then, jogging
Jogging pants. Shorts or jogging pants?
Jogging pants, well, not that much kasi hindi naman ako jogging guy. No. Shorts all the time. Kaya medyo mas banking ako sa shorts.
LeBron or Kobe?
Of course, with all honesty, before LeBron came around, nagko-collect na ako ng Kobe cards.
Oh.
And even earlier than when people knew about Kobe. Kasi nga, kung hindi earlier, hindi mo mahuhugot yung mga rookie cards niya. Hindi mo mahuhugot yun.
Right.
Kaya nahugot ko yun because no one wants Kobe at that time. Yung inaano pa lang siya, yung high school pa lang.
Yes.
So may mga high school akong Kobe.
Talaga?
Wow.
Lower Marion?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Uy, grill yun, ha?
To the extent
Ang dami ngayon naghahanap.
Oo.
puro mga untouched sa akin.
Oh
Wow.
my goodness.
10 out of 10 minutes.
How about high school Lower Marion championship game? How about to the tune 36 pieces?
Wow. Talaga?
Diba?
Ang galing.
How about yung first dunk ni Kobe on picture? How about 19 pieces?
Grabe.
Ang dami.
Dami.
And then how about Kobe Ruby? How about 4 pieces? Which is 1 of 500 at that time.
Mm.
Para makakuha ka ng isa, kailangan makabili ka muna ng 500 boxes. para makakuha ka isa.
Yes.
Nakakuha ko 4.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Talaga?
Talaga.
Wait.
One ruby now is one ruby now is $50,000.
1 million pesos.
2.5
2.5.
something.
Grabe.
Grabe.
Millions na
Pero
pag
at
Philippine
that
peso.
time it was just what?
Yes. Parang kwan lang.
25 pesos.
Magkano lang, oo.
25 pesos. Ang napakawalan ko yung Chicago Bulls na sign ni Michael Jordan na ino-offer sa akin na at that time is walang pera yung naka pull out. Sabi ko, hindi ako nagko-collect ng Jordan kasi late na ako sa game. 'Di ba tama ba?
Sayang.
By that time in 96, late ka na.
Late ka na.
Late ka na.
na,
I mean
yeah.
like so many Jordan na.
Tsaka nag-retire kasi siya noon eh. So,
Oo.
kinuha mo lahat, di ba?
Oh.
94, 95.
No, pero hindi. Hindi rin naman ako nag-collect. But I'm talking about yung skybox niya na pirmado na talagang yun yung at that time parang wow. Pero yung nakakuha, wala siyang masyadong fans.
Mm-mm.
So tinambay niya sa tindahan nung binibilihan ko ng wholesale. Sabi ko, kanino yan? Ate, kanino yan? Yung sa yung customer namin na palagi nagano dito pero siguro i-dispose niya. Magkano po? 25 eh. At that time parang malaki pero
Sige.
pero Jordan na kasi.
Mm.
We are now on the move out.
Wow.
Right.
So parang sayang kung 25,000 tapos bibili ka ng tig 2,000 na 12 yun, skybox yun, di ba? So teka, nag-iisip yung tao, right?
Yeah.
So hindi pinansin. Napakawalan ko yun, sayang.
Sayang.
Wow. Eto, Beanie or Olive?
Wait a
Beanie
minute.
B or Olive kay
Beanie B, Rocha, ganun?
Or si Olive.
sila
Yeah.
Olive. Okay.
Unique stories yan.
Yeah, but of course, kasi nasabi ko, Beanie B. Rocha was already a best friend. Okay.
Mm.
Olive came when there was nobody appreciating me. Kasi Olive came on the year 2004 where alam mong wala na, you're out of the circle, you're out of the business. So Olive is just for the sake of like me and Olive is like parang magkaibigan na lang ako. Olive ganito gagawin kitang song pero alam ko namang medyo wala nang masyadong nag-appreciate ng Andrew so okay lang. Pagpasensya mo na pagdamputan mo na wag kang magdadamdam, okay? So I wrote
The Olive of the world.
Yeah,
Kasi sino man si Olive.
Oh yeah, so yeah. And then nagkaroon siya ng chance. Honestly, nagkaroon siya ng chance. Olive was the only song na nakatikim ng music video.
Oh, really?
Oh.
Talaga? Oo nga.
There was none. There
Yung
was
may nasa
none.
kali. Yung nasa kali.
No,
diba?
yun yung
Diba?
yun, nasa kanya nag-start.
Yeah.
And then ang ending sa kwarto ni Olive.
Yes. Oo.
Siya lang ang nakatikim ng music video. So Olive, the song was the most privileged among all.
Wow.
Di ba naman? Kasi di ba, look, meron ba namang hindi hit song sa lahat ng kilala mong singer or maybe banda or whatever or rapper na hindi ka nag-create ng ng MTV?
Music video.
Music video.
Wala.
Siguro meron.
In fact, bago ka mag-hit, create ka muna.
Create ka muna.
Eto, walang guaranteed hit, walang guaranteed pero ginawan in the sense na, like, alam mo namang wala na rin. So, but, after 14 years, tukok, diba?
Oo nga.
5 million, 10 million, 15 million, diba? Something new to everyone.
Yes.
Yung
Tama, yeah.
pandemic.
Shout out to ating bossing si Boss Berg Capiz, Miss Che.
Oy!
Hello po, good afternoon.
Hello
Shout
po,
out
hello
to
po.
Andrew. Manonood din po yan ng concert.
Oy, thank you. Thank
ninyo.
you. And shout out din to Boss Vic dahil because of mga pinag-uusapan natin, all because of him.
Yes.
Yes.
Ang tanong po ng kasama nating si Sigel. Hello, Miss Nicole. Ang tanong ng guest natin, ito pang si Beanie, ano ba siya? Inspired by a true person? O kumbaga creative juice siya?
Ng ganda naman.
Totoo
At
siya.
saka ang daming
Kung
nagtatanong yan.
Kung
Ang
totoong
daming
tao ba
nagtatanong.
siya? Si Beanie
Kung
B.
inspired ba siya ng
Okay.
totoong tao?
Now, here's the deal.
Ayun na.
Here's the deal. Huwag kayong magugulat, mga gilo kong YouTubers, huwag kayong magugulat kasi, lahat po ng kanta ko is 80% true.
Oh.
So,
wow.
Andrew E., you're not lying. Asan yung 20%? 20% yung imagination. Asan doon ang imagination? It's the lyrics, not the mind. It's the lyrics. So, in-imagine ko yung lyrics, it has to be a little bit true para yung 80 plus 20 maging isipin mo, parang totoo Parang totoo Kasi kapag sinabi mo yung 80 at nahalata ka ng mind na yung 20, nag-iimbento ka lang, it won't match.
Right.
Sayang yung effort, it won't match. So, kailangan, dapat strict ka din na yung ginagawa mong imagination for the listener, para bang totoo to kasi sinama pa yung 80, parang totoo. Now, diba? So now, come back to the question na ano ang katotohanan, anong ganawa, saan mga anong galing. Here's the deal. Beanie is a true person.
Okay.
With a true name. With a true surname.
What is the 80% true?
Is it the Beanie?
So, baka si Rocha yung
B and
80.
Rocha.
Rocha is the surname.
Yan!
So, lahat kayo ng mga may Rocha,
Nag-iisip na.
so, alam nyong pamangkin nyo to. Or kung hindi man, I don't know. Right?
Okay.
So, Rocha. Ano yung Beanie?
Beanie.
Yeah.
It's not the name. It's a nickname.
Yeah.
Bakit nickname? Kasi ano yung tunay na name? Ito na ngayon. Tama ba? Na-identify yung
surname,
surname.
yung 80.
Okay? Then, ano yung tunay na name?
Okay.
Ngayon, for the very first time in your show, sabihin ko, ang tunay na name ay Sabrina. Beanie ang kanyang nickname. Sabrina Rocha. Ay, ang layo naman, Drew. Sabrina Rocha. Okay, yung Rocha, okay. May B. Rocha. Beanie, maybe kinreate mo lang. Hindi, galing sa Sabrina. Beanie.
Yeah.
Beanie.
Yeah.
Short call name. Hi, Beanie. Hi, Beanie. Can you still remember me? Pero hindi yon. Yun yung talagang tunay na tinatawag siya. Hi, Beanie. Sabrina. Beanie. Okay. So, tanggalin natin Sabrina, tanggalin natin Rocha.
Okay.
Ano yung B?
The B is the big question.
Ma-identify na yung tao. Ma-identify na? Okay. B is for Berenguer.
Okay.
Okay?
Nandito pa ba siya sa Pilipinas?
Berenguer means kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Spanish-German.
Ang tanong ko dyan,
I was thinking English eh. American.
Berenguer.
Ang tanong ko dyan, sir, friends, acquaintance, where is she? If she is direct from a true
she
person?
is and happen to be, she was my customer in Euphoria.
The club, Euphoria.
Oh, so syempre, nag-aabot siya ng 500 pesos every time na magre-request siya ng song. Can you please play my song?
Okay.
Oh, susulat niya sa tissue, whatever. So, sabihin ko sa DJ, eto, hati ulit tayo, tag 250 tayo. Like, at that time, mahirap na dukha lang din kami. Papa. Meron ako niya. Yung naka-remix pa. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, mamaya, pag inabot na yung 500, tag 250 kami. Alright?
Okay.
Now, so, one time or the other, sabi ko, hey, bumulong ako sa kanya. Inabutan niya ako ng what do you like? What drink do you like? I go iced tea. I can't drink anything. Okay, go po. And then, nang umiinom na ako, it's my chance. Bulong ako. Hey, you know what? Bini, you won't mind if I do a song for you?
So pinaalam mo siya.
Pinaalam mo, you ask permission.
What song for me? Di ba? Sabi ko, no, like, song, like, I'm just gonna use your name. What my name? Like, you know my name. Like, yeah, Sabrina. Yeah. So, hindi ko sinabi sa kanyang Bini. Kasi Sabrina kasi yung name.
Inspired by her.
And then, tawag sa kanya Bini. So, hindi ko sinabing, I'll use your Bini, the name. No, Sabrina. So,
Got it.
Hey, what song, Sabrina? Hindi, basta, like, kind of love song.
And then magugulat na lang siya. Ganun pala, no?
It's kind of love song. Pero hindi ko sinabing love-making song. It's kind of love song. Pinutol ko lang.
Ano reaction niya when she heard it?
No.
Exactly.
No, sila. I don't mind. I don't care. Okay. But I'm gonna use your real name. Yeah, you'll be using my... Okay. Pumayag siya. Again, hindi ko kinapshort ko na I'll be using your real whole name.
Akala niya, the first name lang. Sabrina.
Tas love song.
Right. So parang, okay. Sounds good. Sounds...
Ne. Then, okay siya. Siyempre, that was 88 is 2 years ahead of 90. I created Bini Brocha 90 of December going to 91. So, it's like 3 years after. So, ibig sabihin, nagpaalam ako sa kanya, humingi ng pahintulot, it's gonna be 3 years after pa. So, she won't mind, she won't listen, she won't have a chance to listen to that song kasi it's gonna be 3 years pa after.
Right.
Then
Matagal
maybe nung lumabas na rin yung song, hindi niya naman din naaalala na rin. Tama ba?
Yes.
So the whole world knows nothing about nothing. Right? Wala. Then now, di ba? Nakaano ako, hello. Di ba? So yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Like, doon talaga galing yan. It's a whole person. It's a whole real person. Yeah.
Now we know.
Now we know. Pero quick lang, sir. Ano reaction niya when she got the essence of the song? Of course, syempre napag-usapan lang naman. Ano reaction niya?
Reaction for what?
Doon sa message ng song, hindi naman siya love song, it was a love.
No. I was telling you, like the song happened 3 years after.
So wala na.
So hindi niya alam.
Wala na.
No.
Wala
She didn't know na.
She didn't know.
All
right.
The first minute she heard about me talking about making her song was the last minute she heard of it.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay. So it could be anybody still.
And just the same, just like Maggie. Remember the song Maggie?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Naku! Parang gusto ni Totoy Bola to. Hindi. If you like Bini, you will like the story of Maggie. Like, here you go.
Okay, we're excited.
Maggie is the year was... Okay, just hold on. The year was 98. 98. Okay. And the place was Hard Rock Cafe.
Hard Rock Cafe.
Okay. Okay. Ako. 'Di ba? Ano yung line ko? Alone, lonely, with nobody, drinking margarita, looking for somebody. Tumutugtog ang bandang Big Thing. Popular ang Big Thing, yung banda.
Yes.
Tumutugtog sila. And shout out to Sam Gadi, who happened to be idol ko yan ang tumutugtog ang Big Thing. Sam Gadi is a member of Big Thing. And Sam Gadi now will be singing sa December 11.
Wow! Nice!
Now you see the triangle?
Yes.
Okay. Tumutugtog ang bandang Big Thing when I saw this girl and she was sizzling hot. X marks the spot. Then, bigla akong nagulat. At the time, hindi ako makahinga sa tindi ng aking nakikita.
Ang
Close-up
galing.
smile, looking like a child, pero deep inside, I know she's wild. Pero hold on, sandali. Wait a minute. Whatever. So, yun na. Now, nakita ko yung girl. Okay. She was fine, real good. Matintindi na akin nakikita. May kasama siyang group. Maybe around 4 or 5 dancing together, all together. Ngayon, sumayaw ako. Pumunta ako sa dance floor. I was I was really, nabighani ako.
Into the girl.
And at that time, I was single. I'm like, you can't blame me. I'm single. So, punta ako doon. And remember, 98, nagpupunta na ako ng Japan, right?
Yes.
So, nung umuwi ako, nobody knows about Andrew E. Kaya naka-roam around ako sa Hard Rock Cafe nang walang naka-notice na it was Andrew E.
Oh.
Hindi na ako kilala. Mind you, take a look, my dear friends, wala nang nakakakilala sa akin. Wala na.
Pero how did you feel?
Wala, okay lang. Like, I feel so fresh kasi
Parang nandun yung sense of freedom.
No. Ngayon lang ako nakakaramdam ng ganito ng, wow, ito pala. Kasi dati, 91, 92, 93, no, you
the
can't.
height of your
No, you
fame.
can't. No, you can't. Bumabasag ako ng salamin ng mall. Yun ang hindi alam ng Pilipinas. Mga kaibigan, bumabasag po ako ng salamin ng mall. Pag nagkaroon ng stampede, nababasag ang salamin ng mall.
Yan ang lupit ng Andrew E.
Ganon. So, hindi ako pwedeng kakalat-kalat na parang basura. Hindi ko pwede. But in 98, nobody knows about me. Yung recall sa face ko, wala na. I can blend with anybody.
Right.
Naisipin nila, hindi. No! That's not. No. Diba ganon?
Baka may second glances.
Hindi, ganon. Then, syempre, lakad ako. Ganyan. Paglakad ko na lang, hi there, can I dance with you? Yeah, sure. Syempre, club, whatever, at that time. Yung sayaw.
Okay.
Do we have time for this?
Just to quickly na lang, sir. Quickly na lang.
Yes.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay. Then, nung sayaw, then, nung napalitan yung song, kasi nag-DJ, nagpalit. So, umaut na ako, nahiya na ako. Konting usap lang. Then, pag turn around niya, nakita ko, kasi nakatingin pa ako Hindi ako lumulubay ng look Nakatingin ko, pinagtatawanan ako ng group. Diba? So, okay. So, lumapit ulit ako. Kasi nakalimutan kong tanungin yung name niya. Nakipagsayaw ako hindi ako nakapagkilala.
That is the most important thing.
Kasi sabi ko lang, can I dance with you? Oh, yeah, sure. Walang name. Balik ako. Hi there, I forgot to ask you about your name. What's your name again? Maggie. It's nice to meet you. Kaya yun yung sa lyrics, di ba? Maggie, okay. Pero nakita ko, tinagtatawanan ako ng group. Yeah. Okay. Then, sabi ko, okay, taligod ako. Don't worry. Tomorrow, I'll make a song that will make you popular in your school. Pero the other way around. Ikaw ang humahabol sa akin.
Ganun pala yun. Now we know ulit.
Kaya pagdating ngayon ng song ng Wholesome, alam ko, anong school siya, alam ko, di ba, papak? Paglabas ng Wholesome, Maggie, alam kong siya ang talk of the town na buong school. Ikaw yon. Kasi ikaw yung pumupunta doon. Habol na habol mo pala si Andrew.
Correct.
Tama.
She can defend herself.
Exactly. Yun yung power.
Of the creative. And at the same time, how you tell that story. Ang galing-galing. Sobrang palakpakan naman natin. Nako, Sir Drew, alam mo, we wish we had more time. It only felt like 5 minutes. Pero, grabe.
And I wish I can say the school.
Wag na. Baka magkaroon pa na issue.
One time for your mind, Sir Drew, please plug away. You'll be performing with special guests. So please do invite mga ka-vibes po natin December 11.
Thank you so much sa inyo at sa inyong radio station at sa inyong whatever like show here. All thanks to you, appreciation to you kasi binigyan niyo ako ng bahay wherein which I can really make the people know that there's gonna be December 11 coming. New Frontier mga kaibigan, all roads will lead to the New Frontier this coming December 11, 8 p.m. in the evening, and mga kaibigan, it'll be the very first time One Time for Your Mind, Andrew E. Major Concert, brought to you by Ticket One, and of course, syempre, available na po sa www.ticketnet.com.ph. Mga kaibigan, go get your tickets and be on the lookout kapag yung mga seats nyo nauubos na.
Sabi ni Boss, sabi po ng aming bossing na si Boss Berg na suki ako sa Hard Rock Cafe Makati dahil sa mga freestyle niya. Please tell him, pre.
Ay, thank you. Oh, so naabutan niya yung lumaban ako sa 3 guy. Naabutan niya yun.
Boss Berg, naabutan mo ba daw yun, boss? Antayin natin ang reply mo, boss.
And at the same time, all thanks and appreciation. A real big shout out to Miss Regine Velasquez Alcacid. Thank you so much for being with me on stage this coming December 11. And of course, Martin Rivera, the Concert King. Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much for sharing your expertise and all your talent with me on stage. And at the same time, kay Heaven Perelejo, thank you so much. At kay sa mami niya. And of course, kay Enigma, the freestyle, the rap battle master.
Okay. Si 4D.
Yeah, 4D will be with me. And of course, there's gonna be lots and lots of guests. Gusto ko sana sabihin sa inyo, pero ayoko sabihin sa inyo.
Ay, okay.
Pero gusto ko sana ipaalam sa inyong lahat, pero ayoko ipaalam sa inyong lahat.
Sir Andrew, maraming mga ka-vice tayo nakikinig. Maybe you would like to invite them para sa ating social media rin ng FM Radio Manila, Facebook page natin.
Sige po, sir. Pwede nyo basahin dyan. That's okay.
Kung mababasa ko,
Ayan,
pwede.
How it's gonna be?
FM Radio Philippines. Okay.
Okay, FM Radio Philippines, okay, FM Radio, ano ba ito? Sa YT, FM Radio Philippines, sa FB, FM Radio Philippines, sa
Instagram.
IG, sa Instagram, it's like
FMR _ Philippines.
And of course, sa TikTok, FMR _ Philippines.
Thank you so much.
And at the same time, kay Direct Noel for the show, and of course, aking musical directors, Arnold Halyores, and of course, Alvin Carabello, at sa lahat ng aking kasama sa mga banda, and lalo na, nako, believe me when I tell you, be there or be square. Be there kasi there's gonna be one thing that's gonna happen for the very first time in whole Asia.
In whole
Asia.
I'm not saying Philippines, mga kaibigan. Para sa akin,
Asia.
kulang. I will bet my name on that kapag nakita nyo yung gagawin naming show for December 11. Ultimong buong Asia magre-react. Hindi lang Pilipinas. Kung hindi kayo mag-react kasi, you won't mind it, okay. But the whole Asia will react. Kasi sasabihin nila, sino tong Andrew na to? Inunahan kami sa idea na to.
Alright!
Ang dami natin kailangan paabangan.
Okay.
Aabangan po natin yan.
Okay,
One time for your mind. December 11, 8 p.m. New Frontier Theater.
Everyone is invited.
We're gonna be there, surely.
Totoy Bola is invited.
Surely we're gonna be there.
I'm gonna be there, sir.
Congratulations, Sir Andrew.
And of course, sa inyo mga boss, thank you so much. Thank you. At yung sa sumalubong sa akin kanina.
Opo. Yan. Ayan. Hello. Mamaya magpapapicture po tayo.
Magpapapicture daw.
Boss, baka pwede magpa-shoutout. 92.3 FM Radio Manila Ka-Vibes. Okay, kung okay lang, sir.
92.3 FM Radio. Mga Ka-Vibes, binabati ko kayo.
Yan. Alright. So once again, maraming po salamat dito po sa playlist para po kay Totoy Bola. Totoy Bola, baka pwede kang final goodbyes?
Yes, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga Ka-Vibes natin for tuning in sa ating playlist.
It is a very so much exciting experience na makarating ako dito. Napakaganda po. Sana kayo din.
It's an honor and we're so humbled and honored
mga guys,
po.
mga artists, mga lahat na napaka in-house at home ako dito.
Maraming
Sir Andrew, thank you so much
for balik ka dito.
here.
You are welcome.
You're always welcome.
You're always welcome.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat at syempre para po kay Totoy Bola. Jubina, maraming salamat at sa iyong staff, Sir Andrew, for
kay
making...
Pat, kay Jubina, thank you so much.
Yes, Pat, Jubina, thank you so much. At ang cute ng kanilang daughter.
Si Corinne.
Si Corinne. Tsaka si Bino, maraming salamat.
Bino, yes.
Yes, Bino, to the staff of Andrew E. who made this happen. Maraming
po.
salamat.
Thank you so much.
Para po kay Totoy Bola, ako po, si Migs Bustos. At ito po, ang playlist, ang soundtrack ng buhay ng atleta.